Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, GTR Math Tutorial and Facebook, RJ Enseñado. So for today's video, we will discuss Civil Service Exam Reviewer for Logical Reasoning. So we have 4 items of logical reasoning. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so number 1. Artists are generally whimsical. Some of them are frustrated. Frustrated people are prone to be drug addicts. Based on these statements, which of the following conclusions is true? Okay, so pause the video and try nyo po munang sagutan ang bawat question natin. Okay, so para sagutan ang ganitong mga type ng logical reasoning, mas maganda kung idodrawing natin ito using Venn diagram. Okay? So using a Venn diagram, so sabi dito, artists are generally whimsical. Okay, so draw tayo ng circle para sa artist. So ito yung artist. Sabi, ang mga artist daw ay generally whimsical. So ibig sabihin kapag artist parang automatic whimsical 'yan. So ang artist ay equal sa whimsical. Okay? So ito yung circle para sa artist na whimsical. And then some of them are frustrated. So some of the artists are frustrated. Pag sinabing some sa Venn diagram, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay dalawang circle na may intersection. Okay? So ito yung frustrated. Frustrated, may intersection sa artist tsaka yung frustrated. Ito yung intersection nila. Okay? So itong part na ito. Okay? So yun yung ibig sabihin ng sum. So pag sum, ibig sabihin dalawang circle na may intersection. And then sabi dito, frustrated people, so ito yun, itong circle na to na frustrated people are prone to be drug addicts. So pag sinabi daw frustrated, prone to be drug addicts. So hindi naman sinabing lahat ng frustrated ay drug addicts. So pwedeng magkaroon ng intersection. So frustrated people are prone to be drug addicts. So mag-draw tayo ng circle na may intersection. Pwedeng dito ilagay yung circle ng drug addicts or pwede rin namang dito natin ilagay sa may intersection din dito. So pwedeng dito rin na meron ding intersection dito sa artist na whimsical. Okay, so dalawang case. So dalawang scenario pala yung pwedeng paglagyan nung circle kasi frustrated people are prone to be drug addicts. So ito yung ulitin natin yung dalawang drawing natin. So ito yung artist and then ito yung frustrated. Tapos frustrated people are prone to be drug addicts. So pwedeng nandito yung drug addicts. Pwede rin namang nandito. May intersection din dito sa part na ito. Okay, so kaya dalawa yung possible na drawing natin. So ito yung drug addict, itong isang circle na ito. Okay? So based on these statements, which of the following conclusions is true? So isa-isahin natin bumase tayo sa Venn diagram natin. So letter A, all frustrated people are drug addicts. So ito ay false ang letter A kasi based sa drawing natin, all frustrated people are drug addicts. So 'di ba hindi naman pag sinabi kasing all, dapat nakapaloob. Nakapaloob dapat itong frustrated dito sa drug addict. Eh sa dalawang drawing natin, hindi nakapaloob. So tandaan kapag ang drawing ng all ganito, dapat ito yung frustrated, yung drug addicts, yung frustrated ay nasa loob ng drug addicts. So yan ang drawing ng all. Okay? So ibig sabihin mali ang letter A natin. So punta tayo sa letter B. Some artists may be drug addicts. Okay, so parang true itong letter B, no? Some artists may be drug addicts. Kasi ito yung artist natin. Tapos ito yung frustrated. Tapos ito yung drawing natin ng drug addicts. So may intersection. So posible. Posible yung artist na maging drug addict. Kasi yung some artists ay frustrated. Tapos yung mga frustrated na artists, pwedeng prone to be drug addicts, yung frustrated people. So pwedeng maging true itong letter B. So pwedeng maging true ito. Pwede ring hindi. Okay, kasi ito yung artist natin, ito yung frustrated, and then some frustrated are drug addicts. So pwedeng may possibility, pwedeng oo, pwedeng hindi. So base kasi sa dalawang drawing natin. Okay? So ang next, all drug addicts are artists. So mali ito kasi all drug addicts are artists. So base sa statement natin, all drug addicts, ito yung lahat ng drug addicts, ito, or itong sa kabila, are artists. So, pwedeng hindi artist dahil ito lang yung intersection nila based sa mga statement natin. And then we have last, frustrated people are whimsical. So, base sa drawing natin, ito yung frustrated people. Ito yung whimsical, yung artist yun yung whimsical. May intersection lang sila. Eh, ang sabi dito, frustrated people are whimsical. Ibig sabihin yan, lahat ng frustrated ay whimsical. So, mali ulit ito. So, ang pwede lang maging true ay itong letter B. Dahil eliminated ang A, C, and D. Hindi pwedeng maging totoo yun. So, letter B lang ang tamang sagot. Okay? So, next number. Number 2. So, statement. Many actors are singers. All singers are dancers. So, ang conclusion natin, 1. Some actors are dancers. 2. No singer is an actor. So, alin dito yung pwedeng maging true? A. Only 1 follows. B. Only 2 follows. C. Either 1 or 2 follows. D. Neither 1 nor 2 follows. Or letter E. Both 1 and 2 follows. So, alin dito yung true sa conclusions natin based dito sa dalawang statements? Okay, so i-drawing natin ang Venn diagram. Many actors are singers. So, ang sabi, many actors, hindi sinabing all. So, pag sinabing many actors are singers, may intersection lang sila. So, ito yung actors, tapos many daw, ayan. Ito yung many actors na singers, may intersection sila. Kasi many actors are singer. Pero hindi all, kaya intersection lang dapat. Okay, so ito yung intersection nila, itong nasa gitna. And then sabi, all singers are dancers. Yun, all. Pag sinabing all singers are dancers, nakapaloob sa circle. So ito yung drawing niyan, ipapaloob natin lahat ng singer nakapaloob dito sa dancers. Okay? So yan ang magiging Venn diagram natin. Many actors, ito yung actors are singers, kaya merong intersection. And then sabi, all singers are dancers. So nakapaloob lahat ng singer nakapaloob sa dancer. Okay? So conclusion, some actors are dancers. Some actors are dancers. Ito yung actors. Ito yung dancer. Di ba meron silang intersection? Dahil may intersection, ibig sabihin yan, true ang 1 ay true. Some actors are dancers kasi may intersection nga sila. Okay, so next statement natin. No singer is an actor. So no singer is an actor. Base dito, pag sinabing no singer is an actor, kailangan ito yung actor, ito yung singer. Magkalayo dapat. Ayan, magkalayo yung actor at singer. Pag sinabing no, okay? So, ibig sabihin ng no, magkalayo dapat yung drawing. Kaso sa Venn diagram natin, may intersection, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng maging true itong no singer is an actor. Kasi meron ngang singer na actor. Ang sabi nga dito, many actors are singers. So, ibig sabihin, false ito. No singer is an actor, false ito. So, ang true lang ay itong 1. So, only 1 follows ang tamang sagot, letter A. Okay? So, another. So, number 3. So, same statement and conclusion. Which of the following is can be the answer to this? All students are girls. No girl is dull. So, conclusion, there are no boys in the class. Number 2, no student is dull. So, alin ang magiging true dito sa conclusions natin? Okay, so i-drawing natin. All, so ibig sabihin ng all, nakapaloob dapat. All students, so i-drawing natin yung students. Ito yung circle para sa students. Okay? All students are girls. So lahat daw ng student ay girls. Eh di nakapaloob dapat. Nakapaloob ng circle. All students are girls. Okay? All students are girls. And then no girl is dull. No girl is dull. So ito yung circle para sa dull. Kasi no. Pag ibig sabihin ng no, magkalayo dapat yung girl tsaka dull. Walang intersection. Ayan, magkalayo sila. So base sa drawing, there are no boys in the class. True ba ito? There are no boys in the class? True ito kasi ang sabi all students are girls. Ito na lahat yung students. Lahat ng students ay girls. So ibig sabihin, walang boys. Okay? No boys in the class. So tama ito. Kasi nga ito na yung lahat ng students. Lahat ng students girls, given na girls na nga lahat 'yon. So ibig sabihin walang boys. And then Number 2, no student is dull. Okay? So sabi, no girl is dull. Ito yung student natin. Ito yung student. Tapos ito yung drawing ng dull. So tama kasi pag sinabing no, wala dapat intersection. So tama, ito yung student, ito yung dull. Wala silang intersection, magkalayo sila. So ibig sabihin, tama itong conclusion natin na no student is dull. So therefore, both 1 and 2 follows, letter E ang tamang sagot. Okay? So